Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make diamond granny stitch. I start with a make 25 chain and double crochet in the first chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Two double crochet in the same stitch. Now I have 3 double crochet. Skip 2, 1, 2, and double crochet. One, 2, 3, and do the same pattern. Continue. Now I finished the first row and I need to change the color. I will use the yellow. 1, 2. After I turn work, the second row I start to make 3 double crochet in space here with the yellow. I still hold the green one. One, two, three, chain to the green, and work with the green and hold the yellow. Next hold 1, 2, 3. Before you finish the third double crochet, you have to take the yellow like this. So continue until the last. And we come to the end of the second row. The second row, the end, only one double crochet. And the third row we need to use original. Chain, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and turn the work. The third row we use only the yellow, and the green can cut the work. To double crochet in the space. 1, 2, and neck hold. 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet in the same stitch and continue the same. Now I work to the last of the third row, and the last double crochet have to change to the pink. And make 2 chain, 2, and turn the work. After turn the work, change to the yellow again. Make 3 chain with the yellow. The yellow. And make 3 double crochet in the space, the first space here. One, 2, 3, and continue 3 double crochet with the pink. 1, 2, and 3. And next, the yellow, the pink, the yellow, the pink, until the last. And in the end of the row, have to make the pink double crochet. And next row, you use only the pink. So 3 chain and turn the work and start with the double crochet, but now you can cut the yellow. Start to double crochet in this space. And next space, continue until the last. Now finish 3 color. After repeat with the green color, repeat again.